Hello friends, welcome back to my channel, Rachel Reviews. I'm Rachel. Today we have a Stitch Fix. If you're new to my channel and you like Stitch Fix unboxing videos and other random stuff, hit that subscribe button, it's down below. And then if you like this video, go ahead and give me a big thumbs up on that like button as well. Stitch Fix is a styling subscription, but it's not really a subscription because you can get it whenever you want. You can get it every month, every 3 months, you can get it on demand, whatever you want to do, every 2 to 3 weeks. $20 styling fee, more below in the description box about Stitch Fix. The $20 gets credited towards what you keep from the box. If you haven't tried it yet and you want to, I have a $25 referral code down below where you get $25 towards your first box. I would get $25 as well. So yeah, if you want to use that, feel free. They send you the styling note. Oh, there we go. So sorry if the lighting's weird, but I'm doing this at like 6 o'clock at night. I usually do these like, I don't know, midday, early morning. Early morning, by that I mean 11 o'clock. But my stylist note says, "Hi Rachel, happy 34th fix. Even though we're still in the throes of winter, this one has pieces you can wear now that will give you a hint of springtime. If the groundhog is correct," he's always correct, "we'll have only 6 more weeks of winter. Since you liked the purple sweater in your last fix, but I didn't keep it. I thought you may like this one by 41 Hawthorn. Pair it with black pants and booties or cute flats to work. While we're talking about work outfits, wear the Kaleigh dress with tights now and without this spring, and add a pop of color and some warmth with the Mix by 41 Hawthorn cardigan. You can also wear your cardigan over the mix top with jeans for a casual chic outfit. How soft is this top?" Exclamation point, question mark, exclamation point, question mark. "I think dark pink will look awesome on you, and the 9 Brittton top is super trendy. I can't wait to see your unboxing. Have fun trying everything. XO, Kristen." Thanks, Kristen. Alright, let's look at that bundle again. Ooh-wee! So we got that pretty yellow, very soft. Kind of got that, it's almost like a dusty rose color. And that purple, that black and white, gray with some like yellow flowers there. So yeah, let's bust into it. Feels so good. Kristen, it is very soft. It's the first one on top. It is very soft. Holy wow. Dang it, Kristen. Look how pretty that is, you guys. Oh, it's got navy kind of leaves, yellow flowers. That's really pretty, really soft. Oh, I'm in trouble already, I think. Okay, Mixed by 41 Hawthorn. Corinna Brush Dolman Knit Top in gray. Super cute. I love Dolmans too. Look, did you see my hair? I love Dolmans too, by the way. Love Dolmans. Alright, next we have Mixed by 41 Hawthorn. Hall's Brush Knit 2 Pocket Cardigan in yellow. And this is really soft too, you guys. That's really pretty. That's like a canary yellow. I just got a yellow cardigan from Marshall's, but it's more like a orangey yellow. This is like yellow yellow. Get those little cuffs. Pockets. Oh man. Oh man. Okay. Everything's so soft. Okay. I'm in trouble. Exclusive. Okay. Alright. Oh, the tag fell off. I didn't do it. It came this way. Tag fell off. 9 Brittton Madrona Waffle Knit Top in dark pink. So, I gotta make sure I keep that tag. This is really cute too. It's got that nice waffle knit that you can see there. I just wore another waffle knit top today that was 9 Brittton from Stitch Fix. Yeah, that's really cute. Long sleeves. Nice cuffs there. Poop, you guys. Okay. 41 Hawthorn. Tamzen Bell Sleeve Pullover in dark purple. So this isn't as soft as the other ones by any means, but still soft. So nice dark purple color. Has the bell sleeve, kind of little embellishments there. They almost remind me of like veins in a flower or something. Like a violet. So that's pretty. And then last, I read that one, right? Yeah, I did. I'm going crazy. Last, if I can find it, I have the oh, what? Hang on. Hang on. Okay, it's by HAILEY 23. Sounds like a screen name. Hey, I'm HAILEY 23. HAILEY 23, Cotille faux wrap knit dress in black. So that is pretty because it has long sleeves. You can kind of see that pattern. It's not really polka dots, but they, oh, you know what they look like? They kind of look like little shrimp. Can you guys see that, or am I just like nuts? They look like little shrimp, like little prongs. Those are their little legs or antennas. I'm a little slap happy. It's Friday. Yeah, that's cute. It's got a tie there, a little faux tie. So, yeah, alrighty. Let's get to trying it on. If anyone is interested, this is like my little outfit of the day kind of thing. Got this at Marshall's one year. Kind of has like the little gather. Got this on Poshmark, but it is from Stitch Fix. It is Market and Spruce. Elbow patches. Yeah, buddy. So, if anyone hasn't tried Poshmark, try it out. You can find some things on there that are really cool. If you want to look at mine, it's eyebrow06. Okay, so here we have one of the tops. What is it? Hang on. The purple top. 41 Hawthorn. I got a lot of like 41 Hawthorn ones. 41 Hawthorn Tamzen bell sleeve pullover. Here we are. Has those bell sleeves. I'm not sure how I feel about bell sleeves in general. These ones might not bug me so much because they do stop a little bit short of my wrist. But like, otherwise sometimes they bug me. Really pretty color. Soft top. This you'd have to kind of embellish with something because it's kind of plain. Definitely the sleeves is what gives it that little something extra. But really pretty color. Kind of like an eggplant purple. I don't know. What do you guys think? You can see the sleeves. The sleeve detail there. Sorry the lighting's weird. But, oh well, what can you do? Yeah. So here's this one. See? Give a little tuck. I don't know. I don't know. I don't know. Okay, here we have the 9 BRITTON top with that pretty waffle knit. It's definitely like a slouchier top, like the sleeves are kind of bigger. But it hits me at a good length, I think. And I got that banded bottom. I like this one. I think I like it. It's really, really soft. Let's see. I think I like this one. It has kind of more like that dropped shoulder, so I think that might be what's making it a little slouchier. I can wear this to work or out of work. Super pretty. Yeah, I like this one. I like it better than the purple one, I think. The purple one was really pretty and like streamlined, but I think the bell sleeves would drive me nuts. I'm not really big on the bell sleeve trend right now. I do like when they're like a little more tight here, like the balloon sleeves. I like that. What do you guys think of this one? So I think this one is my favorite so far. I have a weakness for gray shirts with a pattern on them because I do have a couple from Marshall's that have like gray with flowers on them. This is so soft though. So it has kind of a slight Dolman. I know it's called a Dolman, but it's like, this is like a baby Dolman. Kind of like that rounded hemline, goes up just a little bit. Let's tuck it in. So yeah, I think this is like My favorite so far. Let's try it on with a cardigan. You guys, this cardigan is so soft. So soft. It is yellow. That is very yellow though. Very, oh my god. This is the softest cardigan I've ever felt in my life. That is cute. It's very yellow. I don't know if it's too yellow, but it's very, very soft. Oh, my zipper's a little bit down. Why didn't you guys tell me? It's pockets. Oh man. This is a cute outfit. This is cute. Wear this to work. This is really cute. Okay. Last one. Got the dress to try on. You guys, this dress is super cute. Look at it. Long sleeves for winter. Here's the thing, okay? My friend Ashley is getting married in March. Yay, Ashley. And she has a bachelorette party coming up at the end of this month. And we have to wear black, like cocktail attire. Now, isn't this cute? I didn't even tell Kristen about that. And she sent me this cute black dress. It has white polka dot kind of things through it though, so I don't know. I was thinking I'm wearing all black. I bought this black jumpsuit from Amazon that I was going to wear. But this is really cute too. Has that little faux tie right there. It doesn't like go around or anything. It doesn't cinch anything. Really, just pretend. This does go all the way down. I'm not going to open it up like I usually do. I found I accidentally opened it up. But this is really cute. Good length. You can see the length. Oh man. What do I do? What do I do? Let's go over prices. Okay, so this is the jumpsuit I was going to wear for the bachelorette party. I know it just looks probably like a black blob on there. But it has pockets. I mean, so I was going to wear this for the bachelorette party. Here's the back. Don't mind my bra. I always wear it crisscrossed because it gives me better support that way. Don't judge. So yeah, so this is, I'm going to bring the camera down. Hey now. Too much. This is the jumpsuit. See how cute it is? So now I'm thinking it's between this, which I already own and have, or do I get that dress? Now, mind you, bachelorette party is end of February. And we're gonna bar hop a little bit. So I didn't want to wear tights or leggings or anything under a dress. I just wanted to wear a jumpsuit. So this is what I'm thinking. I don't know. What do you guys think? Cute enough? Anyhow. Okay, let's for real go over prices this time. Okay, you guys. The sun has fully set in this since I have started this. Let's go over prices. You guys, forgot to tell you. The Shop Your Looks option is available to everybody now. Have I bought anything from it yet? No. But have I gathered style inspiration from it? Yes. This was like kind of a style inspo from it. I wore something to work today, also style inspo. Very excited. So that yellow cardigan I noticed was in a lot of my Shop My Looks, but in different colors. So it's good to know now that I tried this on. If I don't keep it, it's so soft. You guys need to request it. Let's just get right to that one. Mixed by 41 Hawthorn Halls Brush Knit Cardigan 2 pocket, $44. That is excellent. for how soft this is. I'm touching it right now. So $44 for that. 9 BRITTON Madrona waffle knit top in dark pink, $38. I liked that one. That was like a maybe, because it was a little slouchier. 41 Hawthorn Tamzen bell sleeve pullover in dark purple, $58. I didn't love that one. Again, I like the color purple. We just gotta find the right purple shape of top for me. Mixed by 41 Hawthorn. Corinna brush, blah blah blah, Dolman, gray, $38. I have a weakness. And that one was really soft too. I'm touching it. And then the Kaleigh. See, okay, this is Kaleigh. That said that HAILEY 23 or whatever. So I don't know what it is. Cotille faux wrap knit dress in black, $54. That's a good price for that dress. Long sleeve, good length, faux wrap. I like it, but I think I wouldn't get as much wear out of it as I would the cardigan or that gray Dolman top. So I'm thinking of leaning towards those. I'm going to hold the yellow cardigan up to like what I already have in my closet. See what looks good with it. But yeah, that was my box this time. Also, I'm really excited for the Shop Your Looks option. So excited. I almost forgot to do the subtotal. Stylist pick subtotal, $232. Buy all discounted 25%, $58. Order subtotal, $174 for everything. I have the styling pass that they offer you sometimes for $49 for the whole year, so you don't have to pay that $20 styling fee. So yeah. Also, I do have $25 credit right now. I want to say thank you to the people who have signed up using my link. Amanda B, you know who you are, girl. I'm so glad you found something you liked from there. Hannah B, you have it scheduled. The following have them scheduled. They haven't checked out yet. If you watch this and you checked out, comment below and tell me what you kept, because I'm really curious. So thank you, Hannah B, Becky J, Rachel M, Catherine B, Aubrey J. I really want to know what you guys keep. Yeah, so comment below on any of my videos, maybe this one, if you watch it. Let me know. So thank you for signing up. You haven't checked out yet, so I don't know. But yeah, so did you hear that slap? Anyway, yeah, thank you for watching my video. Again, like and subscribe if you liked this video and you want to see more. Subscribe onto my channel there. And yeah, I'm gonna go eat some dinner. I'm hungry. I'll see you guys next time.